I am going to quickly record this video because one, although it is night, I still have a little light, and two, the wind is not crazy today, so I'm gonna quickly record this intro for you guys. If you haven't already subscribed to my garden channel, please do, because I've been giving tips, tricks, and I continue to go, and I am going to continuously want to grow this channel so more black girls and black boys can get in the garden and do their thing. So quick update, I am now 32 weeks pregnant, so I've been getting a little slow. I've been having my kids come out and help with stuff like weeding, which that doesn't go too well because they quickly ditched me. Okay, them kids be like, Mom, we learned we don't want to do this, we want to do whatever we want to do, we got the skills, we're finished, goodbye. I harvested some things. I somehow deleted the video or didn't record correctly, so I'm gonna come do another harvest video once something out here gets big. But I today am going to show you guys how I water without a water hose or a drip irrigation system, because I have neither. Okay, darling, I have neither of those. So we have to do it like our ancestors, and we have to go and we have to get water out of the faucet. Although they had rivers and streams, we have a faucet, and I have about 2 of these that I use to come out and water the garden. The bigger the plants get, the more trips I have to make. Remind y'all, I'm 32 weeks pregnant. So in our water. So I'll show you guys how I water with just these two, the way our ancestors did it. If you have a water hose or a drip irrigation system, even better, because the bigger the plants get, the more water they're going to require. Trust me, when they're little seedlings, like it took me one of these per bed, just real quick, but now they're getting bigger and it's taking about 2 or 3 trips. So please enjoy this video. So per usual, I am doing a quick garden tour just to give you guys an update on how big the plants that I have so far, and I'm pointing to plants that are newly planted. Unfortunately, I think this is all I'm going to be able to do this year, well, at least for spring with the baby on the way. Those are pole beans. I found cilantro. I did not plant cilantro because it is an invasive herb. I think I accidentally spilled some seeds. And there's a turnip. I am so excited about those turnips. Look how beautifully those potatoes are coming in. My kids helped out with a little bit of the weeding. As you can see, I tried to harvest and do a harvest video, but I did not record it properly. Those are the plants from when I did the thinning video. You can see how big those have gotten. Spinach is taking a little long to take off. That was cucumbers that you've seen. More lettuces, peppers. Those are peppers. The one tomato plant that I was able to nab, and that's a squash. And those are melons. I need to get the melon area together. As you guys can see, I'm getting started on the first bed. Typically what I do, and I've created a very good system for myself, is I'll get started with both cans filled up with water. I'll go through and I'll water the bed with the first one, and then once that's empty, I'll walk it into the house and get started with the second one. When the second one is filled, I'll walk that into the house, because the first one should be filled by the time I've emptied the second can and switch places. And I'll keep going until the entire garden is watered. As I've said before, the bigger the plants get, the more water they require. I don't mind doing this because I don't have a hose and I don't have a drip irrigation system, but you guys can see how healthy my plants are. And I really feel like this is similar to when our ancestors used to go to the streams in order to water the crops. So I feel closer to my ancestors. And that's all there is to it. It's very simple. It's tedious and it's hard work, but it's worth it to have your own garden and to be able to grow your own food. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Also remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching.